Hi, I'm Reena. I have done the Pixels course from Alchemy Academy, and I am a digital marketer, and it was often difficult to set up Pixels. It was kind of a complicated process, and especially to people who are new in the team. But this course has made it easier for us to simplify the pixel setting process, as well as it has helped us to analyze our audience, the traffic from where exactly it is coming, so that we can do retargeting and stuff. So the course has really been very useful. It's definitely worth giving a try, and the content is very user friendly and easy to apply. Highly recommend the course. So if you are into digital marketing, or you are a social media agency who would like to understand pixels and other aspects better, other analytic aspects of digital marketing better, then definitely this is the course that you should do, because majority of the courses that are available in the market are not going to give you the kind of content that is there in this course. So please enroll. Highly recommended. Thank you.